Here at Frank's Air Conditioning, we've been serving Central Florida since 1990. We're family owned and operated. Our goal is to maintain personal relationships with our customers throughout the entire process. We've been keeping Central Florida cool for decades. We've been a Trane dealer for 10 years, and currently we're the only Trane comfort specialist in the Osceola County area. We want to seriously address the problems that you're having, not only in cooling, but in indoor air quality, not only indoor air quality, but how your house performs efficiently. We want to look at all the aspects of that and truly fit the equipment and the air conditioning and heating to your needs and to your home's needs. Every house is different. The system has to be customized to your home.